Hello friends, are you looking to create a stunning website without having any prior coding knowledge? Well, now you can with just one prompt using AI technology. Whether you have a product launch coming up, want to create a lead generation landing page, an event registration landing page, or an app download landing page, this AI tool has got you covered. Not only can you generate an awesome website effortlessly, but you will also receive a free subdomain to host your website. And if you want to take it a step further, you can even download the source code for your website and optimize it for SEO to attract maximum visitors. With this incredible tool, creating a complete website is very easy. No more struggling with HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. Simply input your preferences and watch the AI work. It's magic. Don't miss out on the opportunity to revolutionize your website creation process. Let's try it out and see the amazing results for yourself. First, search for Mobiris in the browser. Click on this link. You will see website interface like this. Click on Try AI button. Here you will see a text box where you can write the details of the kind of website you want. I have already written the details beforehand, and you can also see this prompt to understand how we will write the details of our website. After this, click on the Generate Website button. After this, if you are not logged into the website, you will need to log in. I will simply sign in with my Google. After this, you can see that our website has started generating. It will take some time, approximately 20 to 30 seconds. Here you will select the layout for the website. You can see that 3 layouts are paid while 1 layout is free, so we will select the free layout and click on Continue. Processing will start again. You can see how nicely it has created our website. And not only that, what it has created for us will not just remain as it is, you can also customize it according to your preference. So first, we will customize the menu that you see here in the header. First, we will change their names and add all the menu items that we need. You will click on any menu item, and then click on the plus icon to add a new menu item. After this, you can also change the color of the menu items and link them to the relevant pages. After setting the menu, we will customize the logo. Click on this logo and go into Settings, where we can also change the alignment of our menus, and if you want to hide the brand name, you can do that as well. To change the logo, click on the logo and select your brand's logo. If size is to be too large, you can go into Settings and adjust the logo size. Besides this, if you want to edit any text on the entire website, you just need to click on it, and you can write whatever text you want. And if you want to change the text color, you can do that too. And you can also change the text of any button and its link. After this, if you want to change an image anywhere on the entire website, you can do so. To change an image, simply select the image you want to change, go into Settings and select an image, or you can add your custom image. In this way, you can change the image wherever you need to. Here you can see that it has also created a contact form for us, through which our visitors can make inquiries, and those inquiries will be sent to the email address you have provided. If you want to change this email, you can change it as well. And here, in the contact details, dummy details are written. You will replace them with your own contact details. And besides this, if you don't like the color theme of the website or want to use colors according to your brand, you can use your custom colors wherever you want. In addition, if you want to add any other block to your website, you can click on the plus icon and add it. Here you will find different layouts, and you can add a layout according to your requirements. To change the order of this new block, you can click on this icon and drag it up or down to where you want to place it. And like before, you can also change the image in this block. If you click on the mobile icon, you will see the mobile view, and this website is fully responsive for mobile devices as well. After completing all the customizations, at the end, you can publish this website. As I mentioned at the beginning, you will receive a subdomain here. Enter your desired subdomain type and click on Submit. After a brief processing, you will receive the link to your website, and by clicking on the link, you can visit your website. In this way, you can create any type of website. You just need to write a prompt with the details of the website you want, and after some customization, your website will be ready. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you liked it, please share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Until next time, goodbye.